Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown show. Erica finally opens up on why she didn't choose Laycon as deputy HOH. A housemate of the ongoing reality show Big Brother Naija, Erica, has finally disclosed her reasons for not choosing Laycon as deputy head of house, but chose Kidwaya. Erica, who was chosen to be head of house for the week, chose Kidwaya as a deputy head of house. After she chose her lover as the deputy, Laycon broke down because he didn't expect that from Erica after the duo had a heart-to-heart talk about themselves not too long ago. Speaking on why she snubbed Laycon over Kidwaya, she said she knows the only person who looks out for her and cares 100% is Laycon, but she doesn't think it's healthy to choose Laycon as deputy head of house because it wouldn't be the best. I don't understand this Erica girl sometimes. What's she trying to say? She continued, she said, I'm 100% sure the person that probably cares about me the most in this house is Laycon, but I do not think it is healthy for both of us to share a room. That's why I chose Kidwaya as deputy HOH, she said. Wow, this is crazy. Okay guys, what are your thoughts on this? I really don't understand what is Erica's point here. If you know Laycon cares about you 100% and always have your back and is your closest friend, so why is it that difficult for you to choose Laycon as your deputy HOH? Recall that some time ago Erica said if she wins HOH, she won't choose Kidwaya to be her deputy head of house because of the fact that she's scared of what will happen when they are both in the HOH lounge together. And then now she's turning everything over, now saying she's scared of what would happen if she shares a bed with Laycon. Meanwhile, Kidwaya is the person she's supposed to be scared of. So guys, I don't understand this lady. Please, if you know what she's trying to do, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Or please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.